Hi coders, Miss Bianca here, just to quickly show you all how to link your YouTube account to your Discord account. So we need to start first off with signing up for a YouTube membership. Um, and you need to pay close attention to which YouTube account you are using to set up your AMCI YouTube membership. That's very important when it comes to linking your Discord account. It can sometimes create issues if you are trying to link like a different account, or if you're using two separate Gmail accounts, they need to be the same for the most seamless way to do it. Students have been able to get it done with two different accounts, but the most seamless way is if you're using the same account. So when you come to AMCI's YouTube channel, you can click this join button up here to join a membership, or you can go to any one of our videos and you'll see a similar button that says join where you can click. So if we click here,
Okay.
it'll bring up this pop-up where you have the different memberships listed for you down here. Please read each membership and what it entails and what you get included with that. The bronze membership, the cheapest option will get you access to our Discord server, but you won't have access to absolutely everything in the Discord server. But you can get in there if you're wanting to attend our IMTAP, do our game nights, or anything like that. This $2.99 a month will get you in there. If you're interested in the Chun notes and more of the premier features, you're going to want to go for the gold membership here, where you can actually um, ask an instructor a question. So I'm not going to join here with you on screen, but make sure you join, follow the prompts, use your payment method to join the YouTube membership. And then once you've done that, you will either need to go to your syllabus in the YouTube course on our website, the amcicoding.com, or you can email us at contact@amcicoding.com and ask for the Discord server link. There are a couple links out there that might be expired, but we do have a non-expirable link that you can either email us or get from your syllabus so that we can get you logged in to the server. So once you first join our Discord server, you will not have access to everything immediately. You do need to get your role assigned in order to have access to everything in here. So you are probably only going to have access to these first couple channels right here, and you're not going to see much of anything else. There is some instructions here linking your YouTube channel where you can see some screenshots and how you can go about linking your YouTube channel to your Discord um, account so that you can get the appropriate access within Discord. Unfortunately, this is the only way you guys can get access based off of your YouTube membership for your perks here. So you need to connect your YouTube account to your Discord account. This is not something that AMCI can do for you. This needs to be done in this format, unfortunately. So I'm going to do my best to try to explain it to you guys all so that you can do this in the most seamless way possible and get access to all your perks that you've paid for here. So once you come into this server here, the first thing you probably want to do is link your YouTube account to your Discord account so you can get all your perks. So the way you do that is you go down to the bottom of your screen in the left corner where you see your picture, your screen name here. You're going to go to the cogwheel, and when you hover over it, it'll say user settings. Click on that and it'll open up your user settings. Once you're in here, you're going to look for connections. Click on connections, and as you can see, it brings this pop up here, and these are all of the various accounts that you can link to your Discord account. So you're going to want to click this little arrow here so that you can see more of the options. And as you can see, we have YouTube here at the very last option of this pop-up here. So click on YouTube, and it's going to take you to YouTube in a separate tab. And this is where it gets really important. Like what I had mentioned, I have various different Gmail accounts logged into on my computer. So I need to make sure that I'm clicking the appropriate account that I paid for my YouTube membership with, which is going to be this account right here. So you need to pay close attention to this, because what we were having happening in the beginning is people were paying for the membership under a different Gmail account, and then they were linking their Discord account to the wrong YouTube account. So pay close attention to which one you're paying under and click the appropriate one here, and it's going to start the linking process of your Discord to your YouTube. Another thing that is also very important is you do have to grant Discord the appropriate permissions to talk to your YouTube account. I know some people may be a little uncomfortable with this, but unfortunately, once again, this is the only way we can grant you the access to the Discord server for your perks based off of your paid membership from YouTube. So make sure you grant the permissions here, and it should take you to a separate screen, and it'll tell you that you have successfully connected your Discord account to your YouTube account. So now we need to go back to our Discord account, and we'll just verify the connection here. So when you come back to your Discord, as you can see, I'm still in the connections under my user settings, and I can now see this right here, my YouTube account popping up. This is telling me affirmatively that I have linked my YouTube account to my Discord account. And so now I can just click the X up here or press escape on my keyboard. And I'm going to come back to the main server here, and I'm going to see all of the different access in the channels that I have access to based off of my paid membership. And so that is just a quick description on how to give you guys do your connections from your YouTube to your Discord so that you can get your appropriate access based off of your paid membership. I hope this helps you all. If you're running into any troubleshooting issues, you can email us at contact@amcicoding.com. You could also just reach out here in the welcome. You can reach out to a mod. You can @mod in here and say, hey, I'm having some issues. Can anyone help me? We do have many staff members in here in the server that can help you. And there's also some screenshots in here as well. If you're here in the welcome portion, you can come up to the little thumbtack here and look at the pinned messages. We do have some screenshots here on how to link your account. We also have in the Discord tutorial, which shows you how to navigate Discord. And then we also have a channel just based off of linking your YouTube account to your Discord account here as well. So we have various options to try to help you troubleshoot on how to link your YouTube to your Discord. But like I said, once again, this is not something that AMCI can do for you. You are going to have to link it yourself on your end in order to get these appropriate accesses here. All right, coders, I hope this all helps you, and I look forward to seeing you all on Discord. Talk to you soon.